How to close Halifax account online. So if you have decided that you no longer want to be a user of the Halifax bank account and then you'd like to delete your bank account for good, first of all, make sure you withdraw all of the funds and you don't have any type of money left inside of it. Remember that once you close it, you cannot open another bank account on Halifax using the same identity information. Either you have to call the bank manager to or the representative to ask about the details. Now to close our Halifax bank account, we will open our browser and go to halifax.co.uk. Now, while it is definitely possible for you to log into your online banking, which is your Halifax online banking on the mobile or the website, go to the manage account section and select the close account button. What I would personally recommend is get you in touch with a live representative or a customer support. So scroll down all the way to the very bottom, and under help and security, you'll find many options. You can see the option called call us. You can just see the call us button right here. You can see, did you know you can message us online? So you can go ahead and then basically you can see answers 24/7, and here you can see all these options, update your account details and so on. So you can go to update your account details option. You will find the phone number right here regarding your account details, where you can simply call this number and let them know that you'd like to delete your account. Similarly, you can also just click on the how to messages option. You will be able to sign into your online banking, get in touch with a live representative, also a virtual assistant, and let them know that you'd like to close your bank account for good. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.